Last week, we poured the concrete ledge, which is the step down area in the basement. So we poured this ledge first, and then we're gonna pour this upper surface and the rest of the basement over the next few days. We also formed and poured the furnace room area. So right here is where the furnace room and electrical panel and a bunch of other things are gonna go. And you remember the sump pit, which is right here now. It is just above the grade of the floor, just so we can access it and take off the lid for servicing. And it looks really good. So there's gonna be a wall formed on top of this ledge as well to close that area in for its own room. But this area here is going to be open. There's gonna be steps down to come down to this level. And that is the basement, the existing basement that's going to go into the new basement. So you go from that area there, after that wall is taken down there, that wood wall, you're gonna walk in, step down into the basement area here. So this week, a lot of things are gonna happen. You can also see that we have a steel mesh here that is going to be installed inside the concrete slab of the basement. And also a chute for the concrete was built, a makeshift chute, so that we can get the concrete in with the machine from outside there and just pour it from the front of the house, grab it with the machine and pour it down this chute and then spread out the concrete nice and evenly. So looking pretty good for the coming week. There you go.